Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it would be fun to make a cookie bouquet. I've never made one of these before and I thought it would be something really fun to try. The designs are pretty simple, but when you wrap them up in craft paper with a pretty bow, they really come together. To start off, you'll want to add the popsicle sticks to your cookies. There are a few ways to do this, but I chose to add them before they were baked. You have to twist the sticks back and forth and make sure it's inserted over halfway up the cookie to make sure they're stable. The dough may crack some around the stick, but it's totally fine. Just smooth it out the best you can and it'll be good as new. The icing will cover any cracks that may be on the front, and if there are some cracks on the back, no one's going to see that anyways. For the first design, fill in alternate sections with 20-second icing. Make sure you don't let any of the sections touch until they fully crusted over for about an hour or so. Once that's crusted over, add some white icing in the middle and some white sprinkles, and you're all done. For this next one, use piping consistency icing in a tip 104. Start on the outside and work your way in, and then add some sprinkles to the middle. Make sure the fat part of the tip is down towards the cookie, and that'll give that really pretty ruffled effect. For the tulip, use an edible marker and draw on guidelines for the two colors. Use white on the inside and blue on the outside, and then mix them together for a ruffly effect. Once the two outside sections have dried, do the same technique for the middle section. For the big rose cookie, use stiff icing and tip 2D. Just start in the middle and keep going until you've covered the whole cookie. This is one of my favorite flower designs and it couldn't be easier. For the hibiscus, flood with white icing that's 20 seconds. After that's dried, go in and add your petals with any color you like. I drew the design on paper before starting to make sure I had an idea of how I wanted the petals to look before I started in with the icing, and that really helped. This flower is similar to the yellow one we did earlier. Just trace a guideline with edible marker and then fill in the petals in alternating sections. Add a little bit of yellow to the inside to give some more color, and then finish off with white icing and sprinkles in the middle. For this flower, use tip 104 and stiff icing. Do 3 petals in each line, making them smaller as you go in towards the middle of the cookie. Work your way all the way around and then finish it off with whatever sprinkles you like. Once I finished up the flowers, I realized I needed a few leaves. I hand cut these and flooded with 20-second icing. I then went back in with a single line to add a little bit of dimension to the design. Once your cookies are done, you can put them in a vase or wrap them in paper. Such simple designs that look so beautiful once they're all grouped together. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope everyone is staying safe right now. If you like this video, please hit the like button and make sure you're subscribed. Click the notification bell if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.